Okay, so Grand Rising. So we are going to do another what? Yeah, we are going to do another Amazon unboxing. Okay, so happy Monday. Y'all jumped on those Cyber Monday deals. I jumped on them. But I didn't go crazy. And then again, I could go crazy if I want to. That was my money. All right, y'all. So this is just some essential oils, okay? Essential oils. I love essential oils because essential oils are pure oils. As a matter of fact, this is like a perfume because you know the perfume is different from the toilette. The toilette is watered down with everything, alcohol and whatever else they put in. But this is Calamus essential oil, and I love to use these for my aromatherapies. And y'all go on to my Amazon storefront. I put the link in the description box, and you will see my facial steamer. I purchased that also from Amazon, and see, you can get the experience, a full home spa experience with that facial steamer because it has the ozone section, and it blows, it gives you that aromatherapy. You get the small cotton ball, put a little oil on it, and you will be enjoying a nice home spa. Yes, no joke, no joke. Okay, so and those were just like $6.99, and I have some more coming. Cinnamon, this is, and myrrh. I got cinnamon and myrrh coming. Cinnamon and myrrh coming. Yeah. Y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye-bye.